I'm back from Oshkosh doing a little maintenance on Charlie, and I ran into a bit of a stall. Actually, it's like Christmas in July. I got a completely overhauled strut from Delta Strut. It's beautiful. It's just a work of art. Anyway, it's going into Charlie, and I'm waiting on nose bolts. So I thought I'd edit some of the video that I shot from Oshkosh, and what I'm going to show you is the air show that at ACCA's the weekend before Oshkosh. So stick with me on FlyWire. Hey, I'm Scott Perdue, and today on FlyWire, we're going to talk about, I'm going to show you some inside footage from the air show that I did with Charlie at the ACCA's on the Saturday before Oshkosh. It's kind of fun. I hadn't done an air show in about 8 years or so, you know, I don't know, I didn't know how I was going to feel about it, but I actually had a lot of fun. Didn't do anything aerobatic, just some high-speed passes. Juan Brown from Blanco Lirio did all the announcing for the air show, and he did a fantastic job. He's like a natural at that stuff. So that was fun. Anyway, let's check it out.
Lockheed, you line up and wait number 2 behind the Bonanza. Well, wait, Lockheed. Bonanza, runway 25, clear for takeoff. I'll be launching the Lockheed right behind you. He'll go to hold to the west.
Bonanza, clear for takeoff.
Good job, RT. Take a cross. Lockheed, maintain visual. Bonanza, clear for takeoff. Runway 25, go to hold behind the craft. Clear for takeoff, Lockheed. Bonanza, Scott, when you can, make a right turn out for speed now to permit to get in the box area.
I'm going to make a right turn and left hold away from the Lockheed.
Your call, whichever way you want to go.
I just press out of here a little bit and then turn left and wait for him to clear.
Okay, he's going to be clear. He's right behind you. And Lockheed can go left, south if you wanted to. Sorry, go straight out, hold to the west, give me an altitude you're going to hold at. You got Scott in sight, maintain visual. I'm going to give him the box now. All right, got him in sight. Hey, Bonanza, you have the box. You're clearly inbound. Lockheed has you in sight, maintaining visual. It's going to be holding west, no factor.
Bonanza, copy, has the box.
Sure.
higher than your standard category. Each bonanza. Now Scott's just going to be doing a number of passes for us, and these approvals come in different categories and altitudes. All kinds of types of spins. Upright, inverted, flat. Doing a little mid-radius turn here, the Bonanza.
Scott, you got a high of 470 or 500?
520.
520.
Aerobatic flight, what is that, a 60-degree bank there? Oh, you could probably do that turn in about 2.5 Gs or less.
Well, that's the video. I hope you liked it. It was kind of choppy, I know, because, well, it was hot and I had a couple of cameras fail, so I didn't get the camera angles that I really wanted. And, you know, that's always an issue when you're working with GoPro in the summertime, out in the sun. So it is what it is. It was a lot of fun doing it. I hadn't done an air show in probably 8 years or so, and, well, it was a lot of fun. I had kind of forgotten, so I enjoyed it. Maybe I'll do some more. Maybe I'll get my waiver back. Who knows? We'll see what happens. If you liked it, hit like and subscribe. It looks a bit like this here. I'd like to thank my Patreon supporters. They're right here. And without you guys, I couldn't make these videos. Appreciate it. And if you'd like to support the channel, I'll leave a link to the Patreon FlyWire page down below. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on FlyWire.